Hello, you have entered the Mayesa channel. My name is Amy. I have been a native speaker of Russian and Ukrainian for more than 30 years. And I'm starting the course Russian from A to Ya. Subscribe, like, and pay attention to the screen. I will teach you to understand Russian as well as read and write competently. Any language always starts with the alphabet. There are 33 letters in the Russian alphabet, but only 31 sounds. Please repeat after me. A sound A. B sound B. V sound V. G sound G. D sound D. E sound Y. Yo sound Yo. Ž sound Ž. Z sound Z. E sound E. Y sound Y or I brief. K sound K. L sound L. M sound M. N sound N. O sound O. P sound P. R sound R. S sound T sound T. U sound U. F sound F. H sound H. T sound T. Ch sound Ch. Sh sound Sh. Sh sound Sh. Firm sign and soft sign, they don't have sound. Sound E. U sound U. Ya sound Ya. Thanks for watching and move on the next lesson.